beautiful, guys. Look at it.
Wow! Can we make Christmas cookies?
Well, of course, Jason, but you need a Christmas hat. There you go. Here's your Christmas hat.
Thank you.
Cool.
3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Yeah! Whoa, look at all this stuff!
Cool! Let's make cookies! The first ingredient is...
Cookie mix! Let's start, Jason. We'll put that cookie mix in, guys. Okay, it's in. Jason, what do we need now?
Eggs!
Eggs?
Yes!
How many?
2.
Okay, 2 eggs. Whoop. There you go. And now what do we need?
Butter!
Yes, we need butter!
Butty butter!
Butty butter, butty butter. Put some butty butter in there. Okay. Come on, mix it! Come on. Okay, that looks right. Come on, don't make a mess in here. Don't make a mess. Hey! Jason, don't make a mess in here. Look, what does it do? Now we have to knit the cookie dough. Come on, knit it.
It's time to look good! Yay! Now we have to do some boxing.
Very good. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
Let's now put some flour on the Christmas symbol.
Okay, let's do it. There you go.
Yeah!
Yeah.
This is something so great!
It's time to really make those Christmas cookies in here.
Let's now make the shapes, guys! Guys, we're finished. Now let's put it in the oven.
I will. It looks really good. Guys, be careful with the oven. Whoa. Okay, it's in there. Now we have to wait.
Now we're gonna make the cookie man! Oh,
Okay, make it.
Awesome!
Wow!
Let's now make the Christmas tree!
Make some more Christmas tree. Okay, there goes the Christmas tree. Very good, that's 2.
Okay, this is great!
Can I put it in the oven?
Yes!
Great! Second round of cookies! Let's see if they're ready! Wow, they look amazing, guys!
Woo!
Jason, look! I got the cookies!
I can taste the star.
And I'm gonna taste the Christmas tree.
Alice, get the other cookies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, I'm going! Oh no! Where are the cookies, guys?
Oh no!
Somebody already ate them!
Oh
No!
no! Are you joking?
Haha, yes, I'm joking. Here they are, and they are beautiful. Are you ready to decorate?
Yes.
Let's go! Woo! Oopsie, that was too much. Enjoy!
Enjoy! Merry
Christmas!
Merry
Merry Christmas, guys!